Welcome back. And right now we shift gears to the world of sports, where Nairobi United have intensified their preparations ahead of the CAF Confederation Cup group stage return leg match against Tanzania's side Azam FC in Zanzibar on Sunday. Nai boys will aim to overturn the 2-1 defeat they suffered in the first played at Nyayo National Stadium.
Watu enda Zanzibar, preparation more inaenda kuwa huko. We hope for the best. Naenda ku give all because bado kuna chance. Tuko na point 9 bado tunafaa kupigania. So there's still a chance. So huko tunaenda kupeana kila kitu. Hopefully God ataplay part yake. Si tutaplay yetu tuachie God hiyo nyingine. So in case tupate positive results kwa game ya Azam over the weekend, then tuko na game ya home against Wydad, then tumalize na Maniema. We still have a chance.
But at the end of the day, if we played and we minimize mistake the way we did in Nairobi, then I think it's something that we can work on. The reason is because that it's only one team has 9 points, and the other Maniema has 6 and Azam 3. So if we get our first win, then at home against Wydad, which it's possible we can win, then we never know what will happen.
And well, Nandi County Girls Rugby